Heart and Solar is a CRA registered charity. We provide solar energy systems to other charities to reduce their long-term operating costs and help them run more sustainably. And this allows them to direct more funds into their core programming rather than keeping the lights on. This was a challenge we observed and why we wanted to start the charity. Starting out, we wanted to work with a reputable, knowledgeable contractor to install and source our solar energy systems. Skyfire is our installation partner who manages the project and complete installation, O&M, throughout the project lifecycle. Our role then as the charity is finding donors to fund these systems and finding the charity to connect. So we view ourselves as real facilitators.
Horizon Housing is an affordable housing owner, property manager, and developer. We've been around for 43 years. We serve residents who have a variety of needs, including mental health challenges, brain injuries, fleeing domestic abuse situations. We serve people who may be exiting homelessness. They may be staying at the drop-in center or other shelters, and they find homes with us. So the opportunity for us was to partner with Heart and Solar and Skyfire Energy to install solar panels, and ultimately whatever energy savings we materialize will translate into savings for our residents. So every dollar that we save by having solar panels on our property translates into better services we can offer to our residents.
Skyfire Energy is really excited to be a part of the Heart and Solar Horizon Housing project. We installed a 30 kilowatt system on the Horizon View project here in Calgary and have offered a discount on the project as well as a lifetime operations and maintenance contract. So anything goes wrong, we will look after it. Skyfire is a B corporation, which means we value people, planet, and profits. This type of project fits very well with the people and planet part of it.
I'm Ashley Pinay. I'm 43 years old. Turn 44 next month. I initially came into Horizon Housing in 2007. In 2003, I was severely assaulted, very, very badly, and I laid in the coma for 2.5 months. At the time, in my G says at the scene was a 3, which means you're going to be vegetable. You're not coming out of it. You're not going to walk back ever again. I am super, super grateful for Horizon Housing because the bottom line is with Horizon Housing, I had always had the envision or the dream or the desire to live my own because I have never lived on my own. It's always been institutions. But with the help of Horizon Housing and with the setting up with Ursa, I was able to move in my own apartment, and I was just like when you entertain a dream or a goal, it is like the greatest thing. And so I was just sitting in my room, just happy, crying with happiness because this is my bed I'm sleeping in. This is my couch. You know what I mean? Like this is my room. I'm not in an institution's room. I'm in my room. So I'm very, very, very happy for Horizon Housing and what they have done and how they help build homes for everybody.
Heart and Solar and Skyfire Energy partnership makes a tremendous difference. Thanks to this partnership, residents such as Ashley will have an affordable place to call home for years to come. We at Horizon recognize that housing comes first. We know that in order to build a life, one needs a home first.